Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk to you guys about this amazing straightener. This is the Bioprogramming straightener. This is the 3D plus straightener, and I believe the brand is called Lena. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'll write down all the names right here, and it also says Hair Buron. So there's like a lot of names that are like associated to this. Oh, there you go. It says right there, Hair Buron 3D plus straight. So this is straightener. They also do have one for curling, which will say curl on there, and I believe they have like a dryer that says dry on there, if I'm not mistaken. I've talked about this straightener so many times on my Instagram. If you follow me, you guys have probably heard me mention this a lot. So I do want to talk about this straightener because this straightener is amazing, and I have the details right here on my phone. I want to make sure I get my details right. I don't want to give you guys any false info. So basically, for those of you guys that are just watching this video and have never heard me talking about the straightener, the cool thing about the straightener is that it does not damage your hair. It actually has some sort of technology that reverses damage and it makes your hair better over time. Actually on the website on my phone right now. So like I said, I want to make sure I give you guys all the correct info. So I believe from what I was told, so I did actually meet with the company. I believe I was told that you can actually straighten. It's actually recommended to go in long, short strokes because, you know, don't be afraid, it does not damage your hair. They have done lots of tests and demonstrations. I've been using this for months and my hair does not feel damaged at all. It feels a lot softer, and it says you can turn kinky, frizzy hair to beautiful straight hair. Enjoy straight hair without high temperatures. Create beautiful hair even in the off mode. So you can actually use this also when it's off. So it says on here you can add beautiful luster to hair just by sliding the plates of the device through your hair and without turning the power on. So I mean, how many of you guys can say that your straightener works even though when it's off? Not technically to straighten your hair, but it'll still have some sort of benefit. So I feel like no other company can say that. So I want to show you guys how my hair looks before and after. I'm just gonna turn this on. I have it connected already, and I'm gonna turn this on to the highest one, which is 360. You press it on here to lock it in. So then right here you can actually see it when it's warming up. It's gonna go to the 360, but it'll start off here, and then it'll slowly start like lighting up all of them until it gets to the 360. I didn't mean slowly, but you know, it'll get there eventually. It doesn't take that long. So while this is warming up, I want to show you guys how my hair looks. So I showered earlier and my hair is usually frizzy. So here's what it looks like. I actually wore like this, like a colored sweater on purpose. I was gonna wear like a black sweater, but then you wouldn't be able to see my hair as well. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like, and then I'll show you guys from the back. And then this straightener actually does add shine. So I want to show you guys how it looks like. Okay, so here is the back of my head, and I think I moved the camera a little bit, but that's okay. So you can actually see right here, it's almost all the way there. And I want to straighten my hair so you guys can see the difference. But like I said, I've been using this for months and my hair is not damaged. I have no split ends. My hair feels a lot softer with this. So I typically straighten my hair like every day now. So it's almost there. It is warming up to 320 right now. I'm going to show you guys just really quickly right here. So you guys can see how this looks. It doesn't look straight. It's actually pretty frizzy. So now I'm going to do it, and it is recommended to go pretty slowly. Keep in mind it's not burning your hair, so it really doesn't matter. You can go over this like 10 times, 15 times. You can literally just straighten this part for hours and your hair is not going to burn. Like I could actually see a little bit of steam coming off, but nothing's happening. My hair doesn't smell burnt, nothing. So I obviously finished straightening all my hair, and my hair looks super straight now. And like I mentioned, it's usually very frizzy. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks in the back. Hopefully you guys can see it well. But this is how it looks in the back. It's not frizzy or anything, and I just really like how it looks. So I would definitely recommend the straightener. It is an investment. It's pretty expensive. They do have a website. You can also get it on their Amazon. This video isn't sponsored or anything. I just had a lot of questions for it. So I don't have a coupon code. They don't work with influencers or anything like that. So yeah, I'm just giving you guys my personal opinion. I do get a lot of questions on like other tools and stuff, but I don't use anything just that straightener because I don't want to damage my hair. I am waiting for my hair to get a little longer. Like I know it's already pretty long, but I want my hair even longer. So I'm just going to be sticking to that specific straightener just because it doesn't damage your hair. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.